03 in the 78 car. That is John Featherston. And outside of John Featherston in the 99 is Justin Sellers. As we are getting ready to go Bargain Hunter Sportsman Racing this time around. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
And it's early on. Kevin Memely and Josh Lundy bouncing around in turns 1 and 2. Memely holding off in that 03 of Lundy.
Trying to grab the lead, but I know both these drivers definitely desperate for a win here in this race.
Lundy has won 2 heats. Kevin Memely has won 0, but he's 10th in the points. The 94 of John Logan Jr. making a debut out here out of Loves Park, Illinois. Just Machine Movers Incorporated. Written all over the hood of that 94 machine as he's currently in 3rd, but he's being chased by the wagon in the 21 car of Cody Housework.
Cody Housework just got crazy loose coming out of turn 2, gave John Featherston a chance to run up on his inside and challenge him for that 4th spot. And here comes Justin Sellers. Don't count him out either in that 99 car.
And we'd really like to see that 78 car of John Featherston to finish here tonight. He's had some problems all year long here at the Rockford Racetrack. So getting in a heat and getting a finish is a good thing for that 78 car.
5 down, 3 to go. It's Josh Lundy, Kevin Memely, John Logan Jr., Cody Housework, John Featherston, and Justin Sellers to bring around your race.
Yeah, the Gremlins starting to hold on in that 11 car. Can he hold off the Belvedere native in the 03 of Kevin Memely?
With 1 to go, Memely looking to the inside of Lundy. Could we have a battle for the lead?
They are 9th and 10th in points. Memely is 10th, Lundy is 9th.
As we coming around, it looks like, who's it going to be? It's going to be Memely or Lundy. It's going to be Lundy! Memely right there, very close race. Great run by all the drivers there. John Featherston also having a good run there, finishing there in the race. Good deal. All right. The one-man racing crew does it all, and he's also the crew chief for his son Dominic Lundy's race car in the Mountain Dew Roadrunner division. So how about that? This guy is the driver, the crew chief, the wreck spotter, the tire changer, the gas man. He does it all. That's a very, very full-time job for sure.
And that Gremlin's going to pick up his 3rd heat win this year here at the Rockford Speedway.
Josh does have the nickname of Evil Knievel.